I'm sorry. I bit him. I bit him. She hit me, so I bit.
You forget for not biting.
So, you ain't gotta forgive me. I'll bite you again.
I won't forgive you anyway. Stop.
Kind of look at me.
No.
Yep.
No. No.
That's my socks. That's the one.
Yeah.
Tell me if I need to change my socks.
Ooh,
Tell me if I need to change my socks.
Yep.
Okay.
I've got new game of stuff.
Wheels. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. That's my retarded brother.